It's not every day you get an email from the IRS, but when Stephen Fay opened his inbox and saw an IRS office message offering a $782 grant, it made him suspicious.
Words like data, not information, a grant, because the IRS doesn't deal with grants. That's a federal government issue.
The email also stated the grant was related to the ongoing COVID-19 virus disaster. At that point, Fay knew it was a scam.
So there was just a lot of words in there that really triggered me to not click on the link that they were asking to complete data with.
Fay avoided falling victim to what the Better Business Bureau says is a popular time of year for scammers, tax season.
There are people out there that actually would love to get their hands on your personal identifiable information.
Sandra Guile at the national office says scammers pressure victims to give up their personal information by offering to file taxes for them. First, they'll call you on the phone and say
that maybe you have tax penalties outstanding from the previous year, and they just need some pieces of information to verify your identification. The second way might be by a text message with another threatening piece of information.
And lastly, Giles says scammers may attempt to reach you through email phishing.
Most people get it in their email box and they say, oh, gee, that's from the IRS. I should probably respond to that. But they're not paying attention in which the form that email is in.
Giles says bad actors might use the same tactics if you're late with a tax return. She recommends filing sooner rather than later. The IRS also has a specialized identity protection PIN you can use to guard your personal information. The BBB says the best way to avoid tax scams is to get an IP PIN number before you file a return. Deal with trustworthy tax preparers and make sure you're on a real IRS website. With this Consumer Crackdown, I'm Sandra Jones.